This is tricky. Keep going! I'm trying. Oh, that was close. Wait! Yes! I did it! A high score! That was amazing! What's happening? Look at that! Whoa! It's a tiny house! Where did it come from? Who cares? Let's check it out! This is so exciting! I love this! We need to decorate! You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Keep blowing! I don't want it to pop! Look at this! I can't let Gina's bubble be bigger. Hey! That was mean! Why did you do that? It was funny. 2 can play that game. You deserve this. Wow! That's so cool! It's giant pieces of gum. Let me see that. Whoa! It's amazing! We can use this for the house. Sunny? I'm way ahead of you. Stand back! Ah! That's one way to do it. I'll get to work. Great job, Sunny. Phew, that was hungry work. I need a snack. Luckily, I always carry a jar of chocolate spread. We're missing something. Aha! Huh? Where did it go? I was about to eat that. Trust me. I'll spread it over the gum. That should do it. It'll help stick to the walls. Now for the rest. It looks just like bricks. Wow, I'm impressed. And there's still some chocolate spread left. Tasty. I'm pretty proud of this. But we need a roof. What can we use? Oh, I know! I have this blanket. Watch this. This is perfect! It's so soft. I love it! But it needs some pillows. That's more like it. I can't wait to try it out. It looks nice and cozy. Great job! So, what's next? There! That's the grass down! That was hard work. Now for the rest of the garden. I can hang this ivy from the walls. It gives it a rustic feel. And we'll need some trees. I'm gonna need a rest after this. This window needs a little flower. Aw, it's so cute. I'll need to water it later. This is gonna be amazing. I just need a hairpin. Almost finished. It's so magical. What do you think? Our very own rainbow. No! My lollipop! Watch where you're swinging your hair. Oops. Sorry. It was an accident. Wait a minute. I think we can use this. I have a great idea. Huh? What are you doing? You'll find out soon enough. You'll love it. Check this out. It's a giant lollipop. We can hang it right here. It's the perfect spot. It's like a work of art. A giant, tasty work of art. What do you think? Yeah, it's okay. But I can't eat it. Oh, right. I still have your lollipop. It's just a little hairy. Blech. There's no way I'm eating that. I think you need these hairpins. We don't want any more confectionery calamities. Thanks, I appreciate it. And I'm sorry about the lollipop. It's fine. Ready to open the box? I wonder what's inside. What is it? Okay. That's weird. Ooh, look! Fairy lights! I'll put them to one side for now. Whoa! Kissy Missy! Get your hands off it! I saw it first! Wait! The ice cream truck! It's glorious! Let's go! There's so many choices! Oh, I want a strawberry cone! Wow! It looks so yummy! Aww! Don't worry. Have another. Aw, come on! Why? I hope I've got enough money. Yes, I do! One, please. Ooh, thank you. Here you go. Thanks. Hold on. This is tricky. Seriously? No! I'll get it! What a catch! Whew. Lose something? That was amazing! My hero. Now give me my ice cream. It's so good. Hold on. Lights? Cones? I've got it! Come on, break time's over. I have a great idea for these sugar cones. All we need are these lights. I'll dip the cone into this frosting. I want to coat the edge. Then I can dip it into some sprinkles. It looks delicious! But we're not eating them. That's what you think. Stop! I need that! We can eat the ends. Then I'll put this light into the cone. It's gonna look great. It really gives a cozy atmosphere. Wow, it's so cute! And it's making me hungry. I don't feel so good. Ouch! We need to take your temperature. Do we have to do this? I hate being ill. It's the worst. I made you a hot drink. That might help. Give it a try. That's so sweet. Let's have a look at this. Whoa, that's not good. How is that even possible? You have a fever and need to rest. Go upstairs and sleep. No more work for you. We need to make you cozy and snug. I need a rest too. Time for some sweet dreams. Wait, I don't have a pillow. How am I supposed to sleep? There must be something I can use. I guess I'm not getting any sleep. What's going on down there? Sunny? Are you okay? I know what to do. I can help Sunny. And I can have a snack. Let's get poppin'. I'll pour the kernels into my mouth and let my fever do the rest. Something's happening! This feels weird. I think that's them all. I'll spit the popcorn into this bag. I just need to fill it up. Who needs a popcorn maker when you have me? Wow! That's a great idea! I'll try it too! It's not working. Maybe I need to build up the pressure. Ouch! That didn't sound good. Great! I broke a tooth! My dentist is gonna be so mad. The pillow is almost finished. I just need to add the sticker. Aw, it's so cute! Hey, Sunny! This is for you. Aw, thanks! It's just what I needed. Wait, the tooth fairy is real, right? There's only one way to find out. I'll put my tooth right there, and I'll place the pillow on top. I need to get some beauty sleep. Counting sheep always works for me. 1, 2, 3. Why are all these sheep here? Ooh, this is nice. Looks like I have some work to do.
Ho ho ho! Santa's on vacation. Although I'm a little lost. I need to look at the map. I took a left at the North Pole and… Hawaii's that way. Let's go!
Ow! Hey, Santa, I warned you about that! Oops. Not so loud. Phew, that was close. My, what a pretty tooth. Sunny deserves a nice, tasty treat. It seems like a fair deal. Time to get out of here. What a great sleep. I really needed it. I slept like a baby. And this pillow… it was like sleeping on a cloud. But it's time to get up. My tooth! I almost forgot! No way! The tooth fairy has been! I feel so much better. Huh? Where did this candy cane come from? Meh, I'm not complaining. Look what the tooth fairy left me! Wow, you're so lucky! Is that a candy cane? I love them. Oh, someone's at the door. Hey girls! Thanks for inviting us over. I love what you've done with the place, but where will we put our things? Oh, I don't know. Unless… I have an idea! It worked! We have a coat rack. I'll put it right here. This is so cute! Thanks, Sunny. Now let's party! Woohoo! I hope the neighbors don't complain about the noise. Ooh, look at this, Matthew! I found a radio! It's in pretty good shape, too. I wonder what we have over here. A wooden hand, an old tree, some candles. Oh, no way! What's this? Whoa!
You've gotta be kidding me! I think it's a boogie board! Tina, look!
What? Oh, that's amazing! I want something amazing too! I just gotta keep searching. There must be something in here. Ugh, nothing in this box. Maybe if I look over here? No thanks on the donut.
Wait! Whoa! Oh my gosh!
I think it's some sort of inflatable! A floaty, maybe? Or a pool? Wait a second. I think I'm getting an idea. Step 1. Use this bike pump to inflate this inflatable. Just gotta keep pumping. Whew, this is hard work. Okay, now I need to open my backpack for step 2. Come on, Candy. Into the kiddie pool you go. Yep, all of you. Let's go, let's go. We don't have all day.
What the? Tina, how did you have so much candy in there? Wait a second. Tina, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Here, take this helmet for safety.
Got it! Woohoo! Geronimo! Ooh, woohoo! It worked! I totally landed in the candy pool!
Matt, it's my turn now! Watch me! Woo!
Hey, you did it, Tina!
Darn right I did! Now let's celebrate!
What do we have here? Looks like some sort of case. Get out of there!
What are you- Ow! Ouch! Whoa! What is that?
I know, right? Let's take a look and see what's inside. Could be something epic. Oh, huh. Like a lot of junk? Hey wait! A lollipop! This looks delicious!
Oh, Matthew. That was not okay. Well, I've got these markers.
You have fun with them. I've got this lamp to keep me busy. First things first, I need to get rid of this ratty lampshade. Now I'm gonna turn it upside down and add some hot glue. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a dollop. And then for the straws. I've cut it to length and now I can add it to the lampshade frame. Perfect! Now I just have to keep going with other colors. That's one nice looking lampshade if I do say so myself. And I do. Alright, let's get this lampshade back on the lamp and see what we've got. Whoa, that turned out great!
Hey, Matthew. Look, I drew this picture of you.
Oh. Haha, real funny. Well, I made this lamp.
Holy cow! You made that? I'm impressed. But I think it could be even better. Let me show you something. Just gotta draw a little bit more over here. There. I colored the tape I put on the roll of tape. That sounds funny. Anyway, look at this. It can go right on top of your lampshade.
Whoa! You're a genius, Tina! Kids, you in there?
Hide the snacks!
Gotta fix that. What are you two up to? What's that next to your foot? No food allowed. You know the rules. I'll be back.
Got anything good under here? Check out that stash!
It's been here all this time?
Whoa! Oh! That hurt!
This place is huge.
And it's just under the bed? Sure could use a little cleanup.
Good thing we've got some time. Phew.
That was exhausting.
Now for our reward. Hey, it looks great in here. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh yeah! Let's get this party started!
This carpet sure isn't too comfortable. Chairs would be nice.
Yep, you can say that again. Ugh, this is so frustrating! Wait! Hold these!
Hey! A warning would have been nice.
Sorry. Hold on.
Guess I'll just wait down here. Ooh, tricky. 3 letters for cactus? What's going on now? This pillow's pretty soft. Where'd it come from? Huh?
Oh gosh, I'll show you. Just need a needle and thread. Then you can attach these two together. Just a regular running stitch will do. You can even cross them like this. I did a whole bunch of them. Isn't this cool?
Whoa! You made all that out of pillows?
Uh-huh. Now our butts will be happy down here. So much better, right?
Thanks.
How do you open this thing? Well, finished all the candy. Now what? I can so reach my nose! No, you're weird. I'm so bored. But it looks like it's time to eat. Hey! It says it's time to eat! Whoa! Cool! This is my favorite! Thanks! Yay!
Phew. Happy to help.
Can I eat now? Hey! What happened to your shoes? They're gonna make a mess in here!
What? Oh, sorry. I'll head back up. Oh no! Wait! Don't fall! Guess I'm stuck down here then. Unless… maybe I can do something with this! Of course!
Start by curling the rope, like so. And keep going without the rope bending. It has to lay flat like this. See? Keep going until you reach the end. Put some hot glue here to keep the end in place.
There! Isn't this neat? And now I won't get the carpet dirty.
Interesting. Now, take them off.
Okay, okay. You happy now?
Yay! My appetite's back!
Yeah, I'm starving.
Matthew, get over here! You too, Tina. Alright, I'm Lily and we've got two unassuming people here. To my right is Matthew, just an average guy, who's maybe a bit confused about what's going on. And to my left, we have Tina, who's maybe a little more with the program. Alright, now we're ready for the main event! A room makeover challenge! Oh my gosh.
Cool, yeah!
Woo indeed! Alright, now that you're both on board, let's see the prize. Ta-da! A whole suitcase full of cash. Oh, holy wow! Yep. Now, are we ready to get this challenge started? I've got 3 mystery boxes here before me. Tina and Matthew, please do me the honors of choosing a box.
I want this one!
Yes! Got it!
No way! I've got a whole credit card in mine!
Matthew has a good amount of money. And Tina… ooh, sorry about that. But sometimes that's the way the game is played. And what was in the last box? Oh my! A whole stack of cash! Alright, Matthew and Tina. It's time to put your money away. Ah! Oh my gosh!
I bet I can do a lot with my walls with all this sweet money. Whoa, solid gold bars? Don't mind if I do. Ugh, heavy. Don't worry, I've got them. Did you see my gold bars, Tina? Because they're pretty awesome. I can definitely make these work with my room. And now it's time to get to work. Ooh, that's hot. Yes, that's right. Melt, my pretties. This is working great. Phew, I'm a little warm though now. That should be enough. Are you ready to see this? Because I'm adding glitter to my gold. You can't ever have too much shiny. Gonna have to use the stir stick to mix it all together. Brush, are you ready? Because it's time to get you all messy. Ooh yeah, that's looking pretty great. Look at all that gold. Okay, my brush is nicely coated. I think I'm ready. Let's roll this on and see how it looks. Gotta make sure I layer it so I don't miss any spots. Haha, this is turning out better than I ever could have hoped.
Alright. Let's see what's around here that I can use. I'll just take these paints. Now I just gotta sneak out of here. Oops.
What do you think you're doing?
Hi, officer, sir. This isn't what it looks like.
You have to pay for those or hand them over. I'm keeping my eye on you.
Whoa, Matthew! Your walls look amazing! I can't believe it!
Whoa there, Tina. Stay on your side of the tape, please.
He's right. But at least I finally got some paint to work with. Okay, I'll start with this purple. And let gravity do some of the work. Wow! Look at how that paint just drips so perfectly. But now it's on to my next phase. I need some paint on my palm. Now I'll make sure my hands are entirely coated with the color. Let's add some handprints to my wall. High five, Matthew! Just kidding! Alright, it's time for me to judge how you did on your walls. Wow, I'm pretty impressed with both of you. When your house is made of candy, it's pretty sweet. You could have a snack anytime you want. What is your favorite candy? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.